God. Woo.
That's all. It don't show him coming back.
Let's see.
Look, turn my manager on. This one's Jamie and not. Is he not working there anymore?
What was the telemetry saying on me right there? I was.
None. You can see where you hit right in here.
So you can see right here, I was
When you
already off the
brake.
throttle.
Yeah,
And,
but with this is when you broke.
okie dokie.
Son of a bitch. It's time for a damn rain. Oh, God almighty, damn Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Really? Jesus, God.
You ain't
Recording.
gonna be able to see it off your phone. You barely can see it on this big thing.
I would have never known if you hadn't told me to watch your mirrors.
Oh, you can't, yeah, you can't see it.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. And then I guess that's when that red Pete turned sideways on the road.
Yeah. Wow.
Right there.
See that gray van? See him? He went around me.
He's all the way up underneath it.
Oh yeah, they went spinning up through there.
Wreck beforehand.
Yeah, but it was all got
Did
considered.
he hit that guy too?
Yeah. See, back it up and you'll see him go by me.
Well, I saw him go by you.
Yeah, he's-
I mean, you just can't tell nothing about it.
He was right at my tandems when it all happened, and he caught him in the. After he hit me and bounced off, he hit me. Boom! There's the impact, and here comes the gray van.
Mike,
Yes, sir.
you can't show that to anybody
All right.
unless you want to get me fired.
I will not show it to anybody.
Okay.
This is staying on my phone.
Because I'm not allowed to give these out.
See, there he goes dragging his
Because
bumper.
Dodo's put the dang things on YouTube.